house. Alright, I am trying to make the extra piece of fabric align with the, let's call it seam allowance, because that's basically what it is. I'm trying to make this align with the extra bit of seam allowance here. I'm trying to figure out how to do that. I'm gonna work on this for however long it takes. I'll get back to you. That was easier than I thought, mainly because I aligned them when I was pinning it. Okay, let's give this a go. So nervous. Why aren't we doing? Oh, it was off. Challenging with one hand. That's really, wow. That thread is basically perfect. Oh, jeez. So I know it doesn't look like much, but it looks basically the same, which, I mean, that's the point, right? To make it look the same, but to fit me. And so from the top all the way to about there, it'd be in the same. All in the same to the other side. Try it on. See if that's fine enough. Okay, we are done with the sewing. Definitely think this side looks a bit better than this side, but the thread definitely helps hide any imperfections. But overall, I would say I actually impressed myself. So I'm gonna try this on, see if I want to do anything about these parts, or if I want to leave it. Okay. Speechless. I'm seriously impressed myself. A simple, very simple alteration, and yet it changes everything about the shirt. Before, the shirt went down so literally here. Now, I'm trying to wrap my brain around what just happened. I kind of regretted getting this after I got it at the thrift store. Came home and tried it on. Too big, but I still really liked it. So I had 3 options. 1, just give it away, and 2 options for an alteration. 1 was this, the one that I just did. The other one was to have it as an off shoulder, but there was like a big crumply mess in the back. So I went with the option that you see. So I hope you enjoyed. Stick around if you want more videos like this. I do sewing, thrifting, just general stuff. Thank you. Bye.